On this episode of TweakerGeographic, researchers observe a lone tweaker performing what appears to be an ancient fire ritual behind a row of commercial dumpsters. Unafraid of the flames, the species repeatedly walks directly through the fire, possibly asserting dominance or simply forgetting it's there. After several ceremonial passes, the tweaker attempts fire control by dragging it away with a cardboard box. Experts confirm this does absolutely nothing.